learning, we realized that we need some specific utensils to bake.
And now we are going to do unboxing. Wow!
So the first thing are these molds.
Cake mold. Wow, these are looking so beautiful. There are three shapes. First, heart. Second, circle. And third, square.
And the second thing are these measure cups.
There are 6 measurement cups. Now this electrical hand mixer. There are 4 blades of the mixer, and this is the mixer.
Next thing is the turntable.
Its color is white and it's looking so pretty.
Oh wow. It contains these nozzles,
these brushes,
and this turntable, and the scrapers too. There are different shapes of nozzles. This too. Next thing, these knives.
Thanks for watching this video. Bye.
Hope you like this video. Thank you.